Hi, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahunrasia Kitchen. I trust all is well. Today we're making salad, tomato salad with homemade balsamic glaze. Thank you. Starting our simple salad. Sprinkle some salt on the tomatoes, little bit black pepper. Okay, very simple. A little bit olive oil. This olive oil, let me put in the top. Then comes good. Yes. Yes, mamacitas. Okay, so just simple like that. Simple as that. Oh, stay. Let me use my hand. Stay here, mamacita. Why? Why? Okay, so just like so. One more. Okay, let's add one more. Then we are done here. This will do. Okay, good. Great. Let's put this in the corner here. And then, voila! Any design you want, you just put it, okay? Beautiful. We're done here. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Stay safe and blessed.